Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you are doing well. This is the intro video of complete web application on online shopping store. From part 1, I am going to develop a complete project on online shopping store. I hope you would like all the videos. I will make all the parts step by step. You can easily understand about the project. Let's have a look. Requirements. You should have Visual Studio 2015 or 2017. You can also use some C Sharp, MVC, and general web development knowledge is of course helpful, but not absolutely necessary since everything is done on video. You can easily make or understand about the project. You should have MS SQL Server 2014 or 2016. You can also use 2012. I will discuss about the project ASP.NET MVC5, SQL Server, Store Procedures, Entity Framework, Repository, Bootstrap and CSS Style, jQuery, Ajax, Authentication and Roles, CRUD, Insert, Update, Delete, multiple layout for admin, also for customer, views and partial views. The most important e-commerce features I will include in this project: catalog management, products management, customer management, order management, reporting, payment option, email configuration, administration, users, shopping cart. Catalog management. Categories. Search and sort to easily find categories, manage categories, feature categories within navigation or on the home page, set categories as active or inactive. Admin user can manage categories. Customer management. Customers. Search and sort to easily find customers by first name and last name. Manage customer account. View customer details and previous orders. Reset customer passwords. Delete customer accounts. Export customers. Customer login, registration and verify account. Product management. Search and sort to easily find products in certain categories. Ability to select options such as feature, free shipping. Add and manage main product image. Set products as active or inactive. Admin can manage product. Add products to a single category. Export products. Orders. Search and sort to easily find orders. Receive email when order is placed. Export orders. Payment option. Manage PayPal account setting. Allow offline payment. PayPal payment gateway integration. Administration users. Add and delete administration logins with name, email and password. I hope you will keep in touch with me at the last part in this project. and thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.